In this video, we will be assembling the 6-pack box card. I am a Pepsi drinker, so I am making mine a soda 6-pack. You could easily make this beer by making your bottles brown. I've already assembled one set of the bottles, and together we'll be assembling the other. So I've cut my bottles in a very pale blue, and I'm using a green to ink the edges. Kind of make it look like the old Coke bottles that looked a little greenish blue. I'll do that to all three. And I'm just going to hit the edges here of my bottle label. I use the green on the red as well. It's got enough contrast that it shows up. Okay. I've already inked my labels here. So now it's just a matter of paper piecing things together. The variety of colors you can use on this are really endless, obviously. It would be kind of cool even to put a little picture of somebody in that label. Let's not take up too much time putting these together. There are also little bottle caps. That's the smallest piece in this, the small bottle caps. To put that on, I'm going to apply the glue to my bottle. Okay, and then just apply your labels. There's nothing really too challenging with this card. It's pretty straightforward. So these then just glue on the insert. That one's slightly off. Let's do that So that is the second insert. Now if you wanted to see your bottles from the back, just double cutting, cut out twice as many bottles. And that way from the back of the card you would also, or you can cut the card out in the blue or whatever color you choose. But if you want your bottles to look like that, just cut out a double set. If you want them to look like bottles from the back of the card. On this one, I'm going to put my sentiment panel on the front. You can do either. I'm going to put mine on the front. Just write, you can write happy birthday or whatever you wish. And it just fits edge to edge, so you just want to glue that on. It goes close to the top corner. And then we'll just put our two pieces together. I'm trying to think of how I'm gonna let that glue dry, because it's easier for me to assemble the insides on the right, on the left. So I want to glue this side together first. I've got a napkin here. Just going to wipe that off for now. Okay. So I'm going to insert my back layer. The middle layer is the handle, and you're going to put that right up against your back layer, and then make sure that it's straight across the bottom. Apply some pressure to make sure that is glued down well. And then we're going to put the first layer on the same way, okay? So apply your glue. I'm going to put that right up against the middle layer. Make sure it's lined up straight along the bottom edge. When we fold this over, we're going to glue these 3 tabs to this side. So you're just going to put glue on each tab, making sure to only get the glue below the folded line. And then bring this over and just glue those pieces to this side. Once you have them down, then you can put glue on this tab and close your card up. Fold it both ways to make sure your card is good and limber. And then there you have it, the 6-pack box card. Thank you for joining me.